させるか。おわっ。
甘いな。
止まれ。ああ。
Ohayou gozaimasu. Welcome to Bisaya in Japan. For those who don't know, the Zaku 2 is the mobile suit of Char Aznable. And of course, it's the main antagonist of Gundam and the rival of Amuro Ray in Gundam. Today, we will check the biggest Zaku 2 head that I have found. Please like and subscribe. Bisaya in Japan. First up, this is the smallest Zaku 2 that I have. Teeny weeny Zaku 2. This is the same size of the 5 peso coin. So gamay kini. There are many kinds of like this here in Japan. Kani siya ang metallic red version Zaku 2. Dili siya malihok. Inanira siya fixed pose MS06S Zaku 2. Going up in size, we have here the Gundam Converge Zaku 2. Actually, gimix na ninako siya. Pag-release is 2 types, A and B. Ang A kay ang bazooka type only. And then ang type B is the rifle type with the axe. Naray, ang sa tang. Okay. So, mo na akong kamot. Gamay gihapon. Gundam Converge Zaku 2. But nindot siya detail. Nindot siya detail Gundam Converge. Sunod ani is the SD, but I don't have the SD. So let's move up to. This is now the high grade Zaku 2. Kani kay customized na din na ako yung game mo na. So the high grade. Gamay gihapon. And then, but bigger na compared to other two. Okay. Sunod, dako na kay ang master grade. I'm sorry guys, wala ko'y master grade na Zaku 2. So, ang iyang rival na lang, Gundam RX-78, piloted by Amuro Ray. So, nara. And akong finger same size na sa pointing finger nako ang O. Okay, moving up. So kani is the perfect grade red frame Astray. Wala sa koy Zaku 2 na perfect grade. So ang size kay dako gamay sa finger. Next is the mega size, but what way mega size? So, diretso ta sa gacha na Zaku 2. Oh. Dako na siya, palm size na, palm size. And then, nindot sa the details siya po. I think tag 500 yen is siya. Usahan. One feature that I like about this one is ma-open din na siyang hatch. Like so. Uy! Tang on that. Okay. Nara. And then once ma-open, pwede ang mata malihok-lihok. Na. Belhin. Kilid anak sad. May buslot anak siya matanaw. Okay. Lain man ato na ibalik sa original to nga. So, mauni ang gacha-gacha. I think 1 is to 35 na tayo ng scale. I don't know. Okay. So, ang pinakadako na gyud di pwede masud sa rotating base. Tanan! Look at this size. Ato i-compare ha. Nara oh. Dako kay. Ang katong pinakagamay. Very big. It's gigantic. Murag monster. Bigger than the palm of my hand. And then pwede sa di siya ma-open. Nya musiga din eh. I got this from a local toy store near my house. This is the box. Mobile Suit Gundam Projector Clock Type Char. And then, nato yung to. Not for sale. Di ni siya para balagya. Ambot. Basig sa luto-luto. Tingnan. Okay. And money ang papel na da niya. Ato open. Wait. Instructions. All Japanese. Di ko kasabot. Sumimasen. Nihongo wakarimasen. Alright, so those are the Gundam or Zaku 2 heads and the biggest Zaku head that I have. No? Ang kamot. Alright. Thank you for watching again, guys, and always stay safe. Bisaya in Japan. Woo-hoo!